ऐसा क्यों होता है कि मेरे हर वीडियो में कुछ ना कुछ गिरता ही है, बोलते हैं शगुन हो गई मेरी वीडियो की। Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Pam Station and my name is Pam. So today's video I'm going to share with you my reviews on Nykaa's Brow On Point Microfiber Eyebrow Pencil, and I recently bought this because Nykaa is going on with a huge restock sale. It's like up to 40%. So I grabbed it and this was for 30% off. Firstly, let me tell you the price. क्योंकि normally कोई price पहले बोलता नहीं, but I will definitely like to tell you the price. The price of this is 475 rupees, but I got it just for 333 and that was for 30% off. but मैंने कल लिया था actually, तो थोड़ा मुझे वो free नहीं मिला. I got a Nykaa's lip gloss free, which I will be sharing with you my Nykaa's haul because some of my products I'm still awaiting. मैंने क्या किया है कि कल तक the offer was there that 1500 में like 1500 में I will get a Nykaa's lip gloss free. तो I did almost 7-8,000 का shopping. So मैंने क्या किया, I ordered in batches. So 1500 like this. तो मैंने 2-3 batches में ताकि I get 2-3 Nykaa's lip gloss. तो उसके लालच में मैंने 2-3 अलग orders दिए. आप अब भी कर सकते हैं. आज के दिन शायद Nykaa का लिपस्टिक फ्री मिल रहा है. Order more than 1500 you are getting Masaba lipstick free. That is for almost 599. So that's a great opportunity to get free Masaba. So आप लोग क्या कर सकते हैं कि अलग अलग 1500 के 2-3 orders दे सकते हैं. So you will get 2-3 different shades of Masaba. That I won't guarantee you, मगर Masaba का lipstick मिल सकता है. Just keep the offers aside. I'm going to share with you about this the eyebrow pencil. This is the first time I used it and I'm also going to share with you how did I use it. आज का eyebrow मैंने इसी से use किया. I'm going to share with you the tutorial and you will be zapped looking at it. If you have used Benefit eyebrow pencil, that is almost 2000 and above, 2500 या 2.2 का आता है. So this I will guarantee you कि ये जो eyebrow pencil है ना, it is like a dupe of Benefit. Benefit पे I will show you the packaging comes like this in this kind of. Oops, sorry. ऐसा क्यों होता है कि मेरे हर वीडियो में कुछ ना कुछ गिरता ही है. I am really sorry for that. So इस वीडियो में गिरना तो था ही, तो क्या बोलते हैं शगुन हो गई मेरी वीडियो की. So it comes in this kind of डब्बा and inside this इस तरह से पतली सी पेंसिल है जिसमें एक तरफ है spoolie or the brush kind of, and this is compared to other eyebrow pencil थोड़ा सा hard है. That makes your eyebrows you can comb it really very nicely and it's thin और थोड़ा छोटू सा है. And compared to the Benefit, it is big one and it is this way fine. Product is like this very thin कि आप एक बाल you can make a fine one single eye, the hairs of your eyebrows you can create. So and you can move in any direction you want. I made it today itself. I will be showing you how did I create it. Created the curve of your eyebrows, everything perfectly. You can do it and it is pigmented. Like we don't want eyebrow pencil to be very pigmented, and that's what it is. It is not very pigmented. it is like the pencil kind of texture. You can draw it nicely, move your eyebrows very nicely, do the filling, comb it, and then it spreads very well. So I'm in love with this product. Ye jab bhi khatam hoga, I'm definitely going to buy this again. And this is in good offer of 30% off. If you buy this, you get a masaba lipstick if you do shop more than 1500, and the offer is up to 31st of May. So I am going to soon share with you guys Nykaa haul, so stay tuned for this. Let me tell you more about this product. So it has a spoolie and the product on the other end, plus it is enriched with argan oil. Yes guys, argan oil bhi hai isme, and this is cruelty free. Nykaa's all products are cruelty free, they are paraben free. So as I told you, paraben free, cruelty free, and it is also dermatological tested. So you can check that out. I will share all the links in my description box for you guys. You can check the links and grab it right away. It came in nicely packed as well. So you can check all the products. I have ordered some more products. I'm planning to do one actually what happened is, I was cleaning the wardrobe the other day, and I noticed I wanted to clean, do a video on all my eyeshadow palettes I have. There I noticed I don't have any product of Nykaa, so I quickly ordered two eyeshadow palettes of Nykaa and some more product. I wanted a try out a different eyebrow pencil other than Benefit and Sugar. So I tried this out and I'm in love with this after Benefit. So a Nykaa haul is coming soon, and I did this haircut by myself at home. So another video is coming on my haircut, so how I did my haircut at home. So stay tuned for that guys. So if your face is round or oval or square or heart shape, you can create any kind of shape to your eyebrows. It gives very nicely, and I'm not sure if there were any shades of this eyebrows, because when I clicked one thing, there was two things which you need to remember. First thing, there was no shades of this, so you just need to research it on Nykaa website. So मैंने click किया और मुझे सिर्फ Wiccan wand, that's the name of this eyebrows which I apply the shade. So यही शेड दिखा था मुझे साइड पे, सो मैंने यही लिया. सो 30% ऑफ पे. एंड सेकेंड थिंग यू नीड टू रिमेंबर इज, ये दोनों साइड का जो ढक्कन है, एक बड़ा है और एक छोटा है. सो सी टू इट कि आप छोटा वाला ये जो आईब्रोज प्रोडक्ट अगर थोड़ा भी बाहर निकला रहेगा, एंड डोंट ट्राई टू पुट द ढक्कन ऑफ दिस छोटा वाला, अदरवाइज आपका आईब्रो का जो प्रोडक्ट है वो बर्बाद हो जाएगा. सो just keep that in mind. And the shade I'm not sure, so you need to research it. So that's it for my review guys. I love this product. I will definitely recommend to you guys to buy it right away, and don't miss this opportunity. Nykaa ka restock sale hai 31st May tak. I'm going to share my links in my description box, and I hope you like my short and sweet review. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you have used this eyebrow pencil and if you have your own opinion, please share it to me and leave a comment down below. I will be happy to read it. If you stayed with me till the end of this video, thank you so much for watching this video, and subscribe, like and share, do all the good things with this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.